Welcome to J&J's test video for S3HU261 2003 Hummer, 185,000 miles on it, I believe. It has a miss, sunroof's bad, and the right side mirror doesn't fold. 184,526. Show you what I mean by miss. See that shake when it comes off idle? It runs all right. It holds oil pressure. I don't know if that's sending you. Well, it's moving a little bit. But if you can just shake. All right, I'll show you the transmission works. I've driven it around. It does have 2 flat tires. But it goes into gear. Reverse works. All right, now we're going to show you the transfer case. That gear indicator is wrong. I got a service 4-wheel drive. I wonder if that transfer case motor and stuff. There you go. Transfer case motor don't want to move, and the transmission works. Has a miss. It's a good old Hummer. Heater control lights up. Oh, I need to show those mirrors. Mirrors folding. This one folds. Oh wait, that's how I do it. That one does not, but that mirror works. Up, down, out, all that jazz. Now this mirror will fold back out. Test good. Oh wow, now the mirror don't want to move. What the heck? I'll have to play with it, because it wouldn't be... I wonder if we got... That's weird. I'll mess with it. Alright, as always, thank you for watching S3HU261.